Hello everybody, today I would like to demonstrate that you can blur a background in a Zoom. So to begin with, let me quickly join a new meeting. After that, at this little bottom toolbar, go into the More section, then Background and Effects, and then just choose Blur at the backgrounds. Like so, and your, background will be practically blurred. If you do not have the, option over here, the background and effects option, that either means that your app is not up to date and you have to update it, or simply your phone is too old or very, on the weak side of performance, or its processor does not support this feature, so it's a very old generation. And that's about it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.